Project code ITIMP 14, project title reduction and classification of different clouds for meteorology alert system. Is the aim of our project detect the different types of clouds to alert the rain with the help of clouds. This is a different type of clouds. In one is cirrus and another one is altos and third one is nimbus. These are the types of clouds. These clouds will be arranged based on the height and the rain. First of all, this is the right side. The images will be there. This is the cirrus image. This is above 2000 meters from the earth. This is a nimbus. Is a low cloud. Is a high cloud. Is a altos. In altos is a middle cloud. Is a possible to rain or not. Is a purely possible to rain. And this is a empty sky. With the help of the regular camera to capture the image and finally detect the rain is possible or not. Abstract. Here we used in HDR image generation model to detect the good results for cloud segmentation. In existing, they used in deep neural network. So in deep neural network, it take more time. Okay, and next is a model to use it to early warning the rain and strong wind with the help of the satellite images. Drawbacks: the cost is very high. The satellite images if be taken, it will be take more cost. Okay, next accuracy also less and processor speed is very less. In proposed, we used in different color conversion model. First, you used in get a RGB image and converted it into HSI model and converted into different color models. NTSC model. Now, proposed advantages here used in machine learning is a post and get a high accuracy, easy to learn, and time efficiency. In existing techniques, they used in artificial intelligence deep learning model, CNN creation, and multi-layer perception. Proposed techniques: discriminative learning or machine learning. With the help of machine learning, we detect and classify the clouds. So it's a black diagram. First you take an input image. This is a cloud image, and next you pre-process. It will be done like adding a filters or noise removal based on the project. And next you use it in segmentation. Here we use it in different segmentation. One is color conversion models, kurtosis, and different model. And next, using the feature extraction. In feature extraction is a model for dimensionality reduction from the image. And finally, classify the cloud types. Application alert system to the meteorology department and running aircrafts. Alert the running aircraft which cloud is formed in the sky. In future enhancement, here we use it in single dataset. In future, the multiple multi dataset will be used to analyze the types. New algorithm also implemented and detect the cloud types. Software, the project MATLAB 2018A is enough for the project. So why you choose for MATLAB is a easy and understandable language, and it has a more support toolboxes to make a project. In hardware support is a 64-bit OS is enough to install MATLAB. Conclusion: using a different color conversion model and a KNN to classify the cloud type. Thank you.